Welcome to Crate Pros. I'm General Manager Tim Slicker. Crate Pros is a logistics solution provider focused on custom crating and shipping of difficult-to-ship items that are heavy, fragile, oversized, high value, and export. Since we are ISPM 15 certified for export compliance, we excel in connecting people and organizations with their freight worldwide. The industries we serve include industrial manufacturing, medical equipment, automotive, and aerospace and defense. With an in-house design and engineering team and state-of-the-art fabrication tools like our CNC machining, we can serve as your turnkey packaging partner from idea to design to prototyping and production. With our current facilities in Nashville, Tennessee and Huntsville, Alabama, we are positioned to support both small and large-scale projects throughout the Southeast. If you are looking for a world-class logistics partner to support your crating and shipping needs, we'd be honored to earn your business. Visit cratepros.net for more information.